Jiangsu Victor Machinery Co., Ltd. Established in 1958 for over 6 decades. We have been shaping precision manufacturing built on a legacy of engineering and craftsmanship driven by innovation. Evolving with the industry today, we integrated manufacturing and global service focused on injection blow molding technology guide. For precision small bottle production, robust machine structure, center stable and reliable operation, intelligent control systems bring efficiency and simplicity together. Every detail is refinado. Deliver consistent product quality serving pharmaceutical packaging, where precision is critical, extending into cosmetics and personal care. Application setting to diverse production demands from concept to production. We connect every step in-house mold design driven by engineering expertise. Suppression mold manufacturing ensures accuracy and repeatability. Attain mold processing enhances efficiency and consistency. Advanced mold technology. Continuous innovation with high precision machining and strict quality standards certified to international standards, including ISO and ensuring compliance, safety, and reliable global performance of living quality. You can trust flexible solutions tailored to your production needs. Automation enhances efficiency. Smart systems optimize every workflow, building a manufacturing platform for the future. Solutions have been exported to more than 100 countries worldwide, trusted by partners across global markets. Behind every solution, a team committed to excellence is supporting our partners worldwide. Because quality earns trust and innovation drives progress. Jiangsu Victor Machinery, engineered for precision, built for partnership.